Hi, welcome back. The replacement tank for my air compressor has arrived. It's a designed in Germany tank, so I expect the threads are metric and not BSP or NPT. So there's going to be a bit of fun with threads going on there. Today I want to build the enclosure for it, the shed that it's going to live in. So first off, I need to clear a space. So the bit you just saw is just behind the lathe here, so the air will pop through the wall, ready to go onto that regulator for the blowgun and the mister, which is the thing I use 95% of the time. It's also plumbed up to, there's a air connection up here, which I use for other things, like the plasma cutter when I'm cutting outside. So the plan out there, as you saw, there was a metal frame which was supporting the stainless tray that I took off. That is obviously not as wide as the gap, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this angle, which is up here, to support the stainless tray down the wall of the shed, and along the back wall, which is a little extension that I built there. And then I'll chop up the frame to use as additional support in strategic places to make sure that the water butt's properly supported, but leaving plenty of room for the air compressor and the other crap I want to put in there. So I cut the angle. The offcut from the first bit is almost long enough, so I think it'll probably do for my purposes. So the idea is to add a little bit of extra fall on the stainless tray. So I'm going to raise it up by about 5mm at the back and drop it about 5mm at the front. So it's about a 10mm drop across the length of it. Hopefully that'll mean that the tray doesn't sit there with water in it, 'cause at the moment it was sort of dishing where the water butts were pressing down, so I want it to have a general slope. So we'll see if 10mm is enough and go from there. Alright, so last bit to do is the doors. I'm just going to use this tile batten and effectively just do a frame and stick some cladding on the outside. here we are, doors fitted. There we are. I need to sort out some kind of latch maybe, although I mean they hold themselves in position. In the winter there's chairs stacked up in front of them anyway, so that's pretty good. I'm going to leave it at that for today. Hope you enjoyed watching my comically bad carpentry skills, and next time I'll be putting the compressor back together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.